Today we are going to log into Parents Web. In your search bar, you're going to enter www.faxmgt.com, enter, and that will bring you to the main page of the Fax website where you can select Parent Login, select Fax Family Portal, which is Parents Web, and then you're at this main screen and you enter our district code, which is ICA-PA. You will enter your username for our test parent. We are using the username test12, entering our password, Imani 2020 in this case. We are ensuring that we have the correct option selected, which is parent, and then we are selecting login. This will bring us to our main page here of our family portal. Excuse me. There is our announcement, which is just our login instructions and our school calendar. We have no events listed for today, no major events. You can click on our calendar, our classes, our resource documents, our student information, student home, grades, homework for the day, lesson plans, behavior, lunches listed, and our schedule, and so forth. You can look at all of those tabs. And then you are able to log out by selecting the circle in the top right corner and selecting log out. That is how you check Parents Web. Please let me know if you have any questions. My email address, you can reach me, Lauren Monick. My email address is lmoneck@imaniadmin.org. Or you can always call the school, 412-731-7982, and ask to speak with someone in the NIA office. Thanks so much.